change your TD Bank online banking password, so in here the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your td.com, or you can get into the application. So all you need to do is tap on login right here, and then from there what you're going to do is select online banking and then add in all of the credentials of your online banking and then simply log into your account, right? So after successfully logging into your account, now you can select the option of customer service from the top menu, and then you'll be able to see my profile. What you're going to do is simply tap on my profile, and then you can tap on password and security, select the edit next to password, and then enter your current password, type your new password, type your new password one more time for the confirmation, and then you can tap on save, and like that you'll be able to change your TD Bank online banking password. So you can do that, or if you have in case forgotten your password, then you can actually get into your login page, and then from there you can tap on forgot username and or password, tap on that link, and then you'll actually be able to get all of the prompt on screen, follow all of the on-screen prompt, and then you'll be able to change your TD Bank online banking password like this too. So yeah, that's all you need to do.